Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm tutorial we are going to calculate area and perimeter of rectangle. As you know that, let's draw a rectangle here. Let's say uh, length is 5 and width is 3. If you want to calculate area, uh, we multiply width with the length. 3 multiply 5 and result it will be 15. And as for perimeter, we'll say to multiply length and length sorry length and plus uh, width, so it will be 60. Parameter will be 16. We'll do this in C#. We'll not create a method, we'll directly write here console write. First we'll write width of rectangle, and then I come here, I say var width, and I say convert to double, and then we'll write our read line, console read line. And I think we can copy this one, we don't need to write again. And with this time we'll say length, and let's say length, sorry, and I have to write here. Now beside this one, let's write console write line, and let's first do the area. We say rectangle area equal area. As you know that we just multiply width with the length. We say width multiply length. This is, we'll find the area of rectangle. And let's do for the perimeter, we say rectangle perimeter, and this is, we say to multiply and then length plus width. This is how we'll find. Let's run our application. And first we need width, I like input 3, and the length I input 5. As you see that area is 15 and parameter of rectangle is 16. That's that much simple. Thanks for watching guys, see you in next video. Please, if you like my channel, subscribe.